Tabok Assam Jora Sopaika. Chini aro eto harmony Chini bororo agi bahino raja ne rajote tongpro bahino beleka harmony apni bahino Chini sipairo sara wall second war porjonto boro ni kaisa juddho rathani Chini Tripura rajyo chiki tete rajyo thinga haibane Chini aro ne sipairo belai harmony belai kogna laibo belai discipline apni bagai tini proof khlai rakha tini rail train ti journey khlai thani bo Chini belakena harmony medical team tongo Chini media rok tongo ang belakena media rona Jora kana belakena hambai maro tamani ke agi Chini potrika khaitani bangthong radio toi bangthong TV ti bangthong ba Chini jekono channel thang ke kubundo phanar sanani nango apni bangai bornaro changkha kholo bunbo chaimia ar bor bahino jongno sothik Chini picture na boro focus khaya apni bangai onekta Chini gaping ngi tamane Chini kubai reality sijak yang ngi tamane apni bangai Chini bosapoti ro Chini media rok tongo boro belakena chobawi tongo apni bangai tabong ni journey belakena harmony journey belakena happy journey chung honai mana samune obab kare belai nai kollayo sapaisa hamjak lai mane motom lai mane Jora apni bangai chung belakena khaksango Tripura ni Chini Tripura sa do pharono ang kaisa message rana ni moso thansang mane hamjak lai mane thansang mane abo ning kene mithas abo kene belai kahanga plus point jekono no khungo pa handi jekono dopa pande walai soglai wa kan zero walai lai mane nais lai mane abone result ka ke zero abone bagi Tripura sa ta 80% कम से कम 80% जनता बहुत थांसांगि माखा abo ishoni jari eba joto mabora phabra rongni borongni आशीर्वाद ni jari जनता बहुत थांसांglai maka hamjaklai maka kunno Chini problem kare asaklai Chini jantar montar thangai kipili phayani abo bebak program abo harmony babe abo kaham khenong nai ni chang asaklai delhi bo Chini borok ma tongo changna lam nai sok tongo tei Chini bobagra ta tongo no Miapra changna bobagra nai koloi ro phaika bosa caring loving really our bobagra Maharaja he is very much caring and loving he knows everything what is the problem about our Tripurasas because see from the year I still remember I met him in the year of 2021 from that very year I was observing that how his kindness or how under medical observation in Maharashtra but just for show off or looking after our people he came back again with his sickness he was sick of course everybody knows that he was not feeling well but still then as much as he can he tried his best and yesterday he came to Agartala and he met with us he did encourage us with the Tripurasas are really we have hope we really he deserved to be honored and of course coming 5th or 6th we'll be sitting there demonstration in Delhi and he'll be with us and many of these leaders from other states are also will be joining with us and really we need greater Tripura land with the Tripurasas we cannot breathe even in our own state we cannot breathe even we cannot make sound what is our problem so for this and our Maharaja's leaders yes he is international leader he can lead us he will do something for us that is our hope Maharaja is our hope because he knows his leadership is really unique type of leaders he knows how to deal he is update leader so I'm really thankful to our Bobagra and we the Tripurasas please do pray for us for our journey and for our demand it should be miracle let God himself talk to this one what is it use our prime minister and home minister so that our demand is under India constitution 2 and 3 so under this constitution if other us from Assam can separate if they can demand this on what is it Arunachal and Meghalaya and all why not in Tripura? It is possible. It's not impossible. It is possible. That is the reason we are demanding our demand. So it is our right to raise our voice. So please do pray for our journey and for our demonstration. Thank you so much.